Hello guys, this is Manoj. In this video I'll be unboxing MarQ 1.5 ton split inverter AC. On the box there is few written information. It has a copper condenser coil, 5 years warranty on compressor, hidden display, golden evaporator, and this AC is also powered with 3-star rating. From the first box we have the AC indoor unit, which looks good in design. Next we have a power cable which connects from the AC unit to the power outlet, and an air filter, a good remote with a good tactile button on it, and a manuals to operate the AC. Moving to the second box, we have an outer unit. Along with it we have a water outlet pipe, few plastic materials, and a copper pipe. So that's it from the unboxing, guys. You can have a look some of the pros and cons of this AC, and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.